Okay. Do you remember we were on the stage and this is part 2. Let's do this. Okay. By the way, I'm on level 16. Again, it always lags. Oh. Oh. I died. Oh. Yeah. Okay, we're on the stage and my fingers. Hurt! Ow, this hurts. Okay. See you in the next time. And we're on the leaves, so let's continue. Okay. Okay. No, we're gonna escape that. I don't want that to kill me. No way. Okay. On the onion ring. Come on. Stop lag. Oh, I'm so bored of this. I don't like this. Oh no! Yep. See. On the onion ring again. Jesus, come on. Chill. Again? Let's try this again. Hurry! Drive a car and drive anywhere from this awful place. Come on, car. Yes, I love this. Cool, not bad. Oh no, this is. Okay, so don't hit the rocks. Okay. Oh no! Jeez. It's so hard to control, oh my gosh. Ugh. I'm frustrated. Don't let me get frustrated at you, please. Stupid car. Okay. Come on, I'm so bored of this game. Oh, I'm not going to play anymore. I'm bored of this. And I finally decided to walk. It's the easiest way. No, we need a car. Ow! Come on. Okay, I'm gonna grab the car. There's no way. Okay. I don't really like this game. Jesus. I am not going to get through this stage. Wait for me! Freaking. Come on. Come on. Stop being hurt. Come on. I hate this. I really hate this. Can you just stop it, please? Oh, so hard. Oh, stop. Oh, no. And hit. Yes! No! Okay. Yes! And we're on the last stage! Finally! Yes! Yes, and we're finally on the last stage, which is cool. And let me have that patch, please. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining me again. So, yep, please subscribe my channel, and if you do more, please hit the bell ring thingy button. That means notification. But still, bye! See you!